Hi everyone, my name is Salma. Today I would like to present about air, air freight export case study. So I bring this case to discuss in this presentation. UPS wins air, air cargo's contract with Postal Service replaces FedEx. So the problems here is the changes in the contract for domestic air cargo services between U.S. Postal Service or USPS and its air cargo providers, UPS and FedEx. So the article indicates that FedEx revenue from this contract has been declining, with the contract barely breaking even due to lower postal volumes and higher operating costs. This financial pressure led FedEx to consider not renewing the contract unless better terms could be negotiated. Additionally, USPS has been shifting more air parcels to its ground network as part of a broader productivity drive aimed at reducing overall transportation costs by $3 billion over the next 2 years. So the issue in the news article is primarily related to changes in the contract for domestic air cargo services between the U.S. Postal Service and its air cargo providers. So the specific location of the issues at the operational and strategic level of these companies, focusing on their air cargo network and service within the United States. While the news involves UPS replacing FedEx as the dominant provider of air cargo services for USPS, impacting operation across the country, the location of the issues is not tied to a specific geographical region, but rather to the national scope of these companies' logistics and transportation services within the US. So the issues is happened in the year 2024, especially the news covers UPS winning a significant air cargo contract with the US Postal Service, replacing FedEx as the primary provider of domestic air cargo services. The contract is set to take effect on September 30, 2024, making a shift in the dynamic of the air cargo transportation sector within the United States during this year. And solution for this issues is UPS secure the contract with USPS by proposing an innovative solution that focuses on operational efficiency and cost reduction. This solution likely involves a streamlined data network utilizing truck routes and smaller aircraft, optimize resources to meet USPS air cargo needs more efficiently by reconfiguring its operations. UPS aims to enhance service quality quality while reducing costs, creating a mutually beneficial arrangement with USPS. FedEx, on the other hand, they they addressing the financial strain caused by the contract terms by restructuring its own air and ground network. This, this restructuring includes adjusting services to match demand and eliminating excess capacity previously dedicated to USPS shipment. FedEx efforts align with a broader strategy to improve profitability and operational effectiveness in its airport services. I think that's all from me. Thank you.